Chromperfect is the leading independent chromatography data system developer with a long and proud history of serving the scientific community for over 4 decades. Recently, our customers have been facing new challenges as new staff join the team, while older Chromperfect experts are leaving the workforce and starting their retirement. This has resulted in a sharp rise in requests for structured user training for the Chromperfect system and associated applications. In this short presentation, we are going to explore the training and implementation services we can offer to smooth this staff transition. First, we have online training courses. These courses offer an excellent and inexpensive training option. They are suitable for new users of the Chromperfect ecosystem, as well as seasoned experts. We can tailor your training programs to the specific requirements of your laboratory and business needs. Through the web, you can interact and communicate with the instructor, either one-on-one or with a small group of your colleagues, providing you with an optimized learning experience. Second, we offer on-site training. When you need a more tailored service, we provide on-site training sessions in the form of both formal classroom lectures and informal hands-on sessions in the laboratory. Lastly, we offer on-site implementation. In conjunction with a tailored training program, our experts can install, configure, and customize your Chromperfect systems specifically to your data management needs and laboratory SOPs. As every customer site has different requirements for their chromatography data system, each will use Chromperfect in a unique way. We can tailor a service exactly to your requirements and budget. To take advantage of these services, contact the Chromperfect sales team today. You can reach us at our support numbers in the USA and Europe, or contact us via our website at www.chromeperfect.com.